Spending cuts on federal programs in Washington could be taking a bite out of the fishing industry.
ABC's Andrew Dimbert has the details as fishermen express the importance of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.
A freeze on regulations and cuts to federal spending in Washington appear to be taking a toll on an industry we haven't heard much about recently, the fishing industry.
The fishery stakeholders across the U.S. have lost a voice. We've lost our access to the agency that governs our livelihoods for commercial fishermen.
From the Atlantic to Alaska, fishermen say they rely on NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, to manage coastal fisheries, affecting how and where they do business. The agency sets quotas and helps determine the start and close of fishing seasons.
We follow the weather closely, and then the work with stock assessments affects our fishery in quotas and in bag limits on an annual basis. The work that they do regulates our industry in that what we can and cannot fish for, what times a year, how many we can take.
More than 160 NOAA employees dealing with fisheries were reportedly fired last month. Industry experts tell Reuters the changes in Washington have raised the risk of delaying the start of the fishing season for some East Coast cod and haddock fleets. They say it's also allowed for the overfishing of bluefin tuna off North Carolina, which could mean reduced quotas for fishermen in New York and New England, where the fish migrate north this summer, potentially driving up prices. Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.